At the edge of our solar system lies Neptune, shrouded in deep twilight and cold. Circling this blue giant is Triton, a moon of extremes. Its surface is blanketed in nitrogen ice, but this is no tranquil landscape. Dark plumes of gas and dust erupt from its frozen crust, hinting at violent change beneath the calm. Triton is a cosmic outsider, a captured wanderer. Unlike any other large moon, it orbits Neptune backwards, a retrograde path. This single fact reveals a dramatic history. Triton was not born here. It was snared by Neptune's gravity, forever bound to its captor. But this backward orbit is a death sentence. With every pass, Neptune's gravity drags Triton closer. One day, it will be torn apart, forming a new ring system, or crash into Neptune itself. Triton's existence is fleeting, a temporary jewel in Neptune's crown. When we look at Triton, we see a story of cosmic migration and gravitational battles. The heavens are not static, they are dynamic, ever-changing. Planets and moons are actors in a grand celestial drama. Triton's tale is one of the most compelling, a captured world, a frozen enigma. It holds the keys to understanding the dark, cold regions far from our sun. This is not just a moon, it's a story unfolding before our eyes. A reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Triton's journey is a fleeting moment in cosmic time, and its secrets are waiting to be uncovered. Most moons form from the same disk of gas and dust as their planet, orbiting in the same direction, prograde. From Jupiter's Io to our own moon, this is the rule. Triton breaks it. It's bigger than Pluto, yet orbits Neptune in the opposite direction, retrograde. This makes it nearly impossible for Triton to have formed with Neptune. It's an outsider, rewriting the history of Neptune's system. Capturing such a massive object required a rare, violent event. Most retrograde moons are tiny, but Triton is a giant, the seventh largest moon in the solar system. Its capture was a 1 in a billion encounter. This retrograde orbit isn't just a curiosity, it's Triton's doom. While prograde moons drift away, Triton spirals inward, pulled by Neptune's gravity. Its orbit decays, sealing its fate. This gravitational tug-of-war powers Triton's strange geology. Triton's journey is a one-way trip toward destruction. Its rebellion comes at a cost. If Triton wasn't born around Neptune, where did it come from? The answer: the Kuiper Belt, a distant ring of icy bodies beyond Neptune. Triton's composition matches these objects: frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Scientists believe Triton began as a Kuiper Belt object, likely part of a binary pair. As this pair passed Neptune, a gravitational encounter ejected Triton's companion and captured Triton. This binary disruption explains how such a large body was snared. Triton sacrificed its partner to become Neptune's moon. This event, over 3 billion years ago, reshaped Neptune's system. It's a story of cosmic betrayal and capture. Triton's journey from the Kuiper Belt to Neptune is a testament to the violent, unpredictable early solar system. Its presence is a frozen record of that ancient chaos, and it changed everything for Neptune. Triton's capture was a cataclysm for Neptune's original moons. Before Triton, Neptune likely had a stable family of moons, all orbiting in prograde paths. Triton's arrival, moving against the flow, caused chaos. Its gravity destabilized orbits, leading to collisions and ejections. Most of Neptune's original moons were destroyed or cast out. Today, only tiny moons remain: Proteus, Nereid, and a few others. Nereid's wild orbit is a relic of this ancient upheaval. The debris from shattered moons rained down or was swept up by Neptune. What remains is a system dominated by one enormous outsider. Triton didn't just join Neptune's system, it remade it. One event reshaped an entire planetary neighborhood. The scars of that chaos are still visible today. Voyager 2's 1989 flyby revealed Triton as a world of extremes. Its surface, a pinkish melon, is capped with bright nitrogen and methane ice. Temperatures hover near absolute zero, so cold that nitrogen forms a transparent crust. Yet, Triton is alive with activity. Its cantaloupe terrain shows a crust broken, melted, and refrozen, evidence of cryovolcanism. Tidal forces from Neptune may drive this internal heat. Most stunning, Voyager saw dark plumes erupting from the southern polar cap. Geysers of nitrogen gas and dust shot 8 kilometers high, blown by winds across the ice. This was a shock. Active volcanism on a world so cold and distant. Sunlight penetrates the ice, warming darker layers beneath. Subsurface nitrogen turns to gas, building pressure until it erupts. Triton is a world where the faint sun powers explosive eruptions on one of the coldest surfaces in the solar system. It's a landscape of fire and ice. Triton's retrograde orbit seals its fate. Unlike prograde moons that drift away, Triton spirals inward, pulled by Neptune's gravity. Each year, it inches closer, a slow-motion death sentence. In about 3.6 billion years, Triton will cross Neptune's Roche limit. There, tidal forces will overwhelm its gravity. Most likely, Triton will be torn apart, forming a brilliant ring system around Neptune. For a time, Neptune will outshine Saturn in rings, a fleeting monument to Triton's destruction. Alternatively, Triton could plunge into Neptune's atmosphere, vaporizing in a fiery end. Either way, its doom is certain. Triton's capture began a long, slow journey toward annihilation. Its story is one of beauty and inevitable loss. The universe is full of such tragic destinies. Triton's end will be spectacular. Triton is more than a doomed moon. It's a scientific treasure. As a captured Kuiper Belt object, it offers a window into the solar system's distant frontier. Studying Triton lets us explore icy worlds without venturing to the edge of the sun's domain. Its active geology and possible subsurface ocean make it a prime target in the search for life. Tidal heating could maintain liquid water beneath the ice. Where there's water, energy, and organics, life is possible, even in the coldest places. Voyager 2's flyby raised more questions than answers. Future missions, like the proposed Triton orbiter, could reveal Triton's secrets, mapping its surface, probing for an ocean, and observing its geysers up close. Triton holds clues to planetary formation and the potential for life in extreme environments. It reminds us that the solar system is dynamic, full of surprises and change. Triton is a symbol of the unexpected, a rebel moon that challenges our assumptions. Its secrets are locked in ice, waiting to be discovered. 4.5 billion kilometers from the sun, Triton beckons us to explore. And its mysteries are worth the journey.